How's it going, everyone? I'm just uninstalling the rear quarter panel trim on a 2012 Ford Escape, and the coat hook gave me a bit of difficulty, but I got it figured out. You just need to twist it 90 degrees. You can do it with your hand, but it's a little difficult. So you can use an adjustable wrench on that. Just turn it 90 degrees. It falls right out. It's got a little button on the bottom that you can hit with a screwdriver if you need to. And then there's a 10 millimeter bolt back there that you need a long ratchet to get to. You also got to take off the seat belt, but you can figure that one out. It's just a torque bit. I can't remember what size. Just so you know, it's what does that say? T50 fits right in there. So yeah, you get the point. That'll fall right off once you take off the seat belt and the 10 millimeter bolt. Yeah. Hope that made your life a little easier. Have a good day.